Nayosmi everyone. This is Dr. Navya Aradhya. We are in All About Your Hair series. So in our previous videos, we have learned about how to understand your hair porosity, and we have done some tests and we have understood what kind of hair oils to use. So in today's video, let's understand the second aspect of your hair, that is your scalp health. So two things when it comes to your scalp. You need to understand what type of scalp you have, whether it's oily or dry or a balanced type of scalp. And the second part is what kind of scalp issues your scalp type is prone to, and what precautions you are supposed to take, and what kind of products you are supposed to use. Very simple way to understand what type of scalp you have is to make a blotting paper test. Take a small square of blotting paper and then just press it on your scalp area. Maybe here where your scalp is seen, you can blot your paper here and then just remove it after 5 seconds. So if at all you have oily scalp type, then the blotting paper will have a transparent spot on it, which means that is the oil or the sebum secretion of your scalp. If it is not there, then which means your scalp type is dry scalp. So when to do this blotting paper test is after 2 days of your hair wash. That is simple and easy, right? Now that you have determined what type of scalp you have, let's understand what kind of scalp issues you are prone to. In my clinical practice, I have come across mainly the scalp issues related to dandruff, fungal infection, seborrheic dermatitis, and psoriasis, which in turn have given rise to a very bad hair fall, alopecia, itchiness, and then thinning and graying of hair. First and foremost, the very common thing which we get to see is dandruff. So dandruff is nothing but the white flakes, all the buildup which you have on your scalp that will start flaking. If the flaking starts right after 2 to 3 days of your hair wash, then you are definitely suffering with dandruff condition. If the flakiness starts after 4 to 5 days or 6 days, 6th day of your hair wash, then that is not a dandruff. It is a normal buildup which you have got on your scalp. It means that please go get a nice hair wash done. That's it. First and foremost, the very common thing which we get to see is dandruff. So dandruff is nothing but the white flakes, all the buildup which you have on your scalp that will start flaking. If the flaking starts right after 2 to 3 days of your hair wash, then you are definitely suffering with dandruff condition. If the flakiness starts after 4 to 5 days or 6 days, 6th day of your hair wash, then that is not a dandruff. It is a normal buildup which you have got on your scalp. It means that please go get a nice hair wash done. That's it. If at all your scalp has got acne, a small bump, or a scab which is associated with the redness or pinkishness inflammation on your scalp, and which has got white scales on top of it, then that might be seborrheic dermatitis or psoriasis. In this condition, do not try to do any kind of DIYs. Please go consult your dermatologist or a family physician and take their expertise help. Now that you've understood the basics of it, what kind of products to use and what is going to help your scalp health. So let's learn that in part 2 of this video. Thank you.